Hi, I'm John Schultz from SuperFlash Compressed Gas Equipment, and today I'd like to talk to you a little about the SuperFlash Mini PGM 2-Gas Adjustable Gas Mixer. The SuperFlash Mini PGM Gas Mixer allows users to customize their gas mixtures instantaneously and on the fly with the simple twist of a knob. Users can also save money with the SuperFlash Gas Mixer, as purchasing pre-mixed gases is almost always more expensive than mixing your own gases. Contact SuperFlash if you would like more information on potential cost savings. The Mini PGM Gas Mixer weighs less than 7.5 pounds, so it's easy to mount on any wall or machine cage using the included mounting bracket. Installation is easy. Just connect your source gases to the mixer using properly rated gas hose or a manifold system, and then connect your mixer to your point of use in a similar manner. Operation is also simple. With your gas supply pressure off, pull out the adjusting knob in the operating pressure regulator and rotate it counterclockwise until it stops. Now ensure that your % max flow valve and the % mixed gas flow valve are both set to 0. Turn on your 2 supply gases and adjust the inlet pressure to the required pressure range according to the manual. Rotate the mixing valve to the required mixed gas composition. Rotate the knob on the operating pressure regulator clockwise until the required operating pressure is observed on the pressure gauge. Then push in the regulator knob until it locks into place. This secures the operating pressure. Now rotate the mixed gas flow valve to the required flow output. As demonstrated by this gas analyzer, the mixer will now mix gas according to your settings. Thank you for your time. As we've seen in this video, the SuperFlash 2-Gas Adjustable Gas Mixer will allow you to completely customize your gas mixtures on the fly, and additionally can save you a lot of money. So if you have any more questions or would like more information on this product, please give us a call or send us an email, and we'll be happy to help.